they can see you.
Hi guys. Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. This is Sherry and with the beautiful Jackie Jackson. We're out on location right now and I am actually out working and I'm teaching Jackie how I conduct my properties and how I make bids on my property so if you guys know anyone that need property renovation or interested in getting their property sold to the highest value after refurnishing it, so I'm on scene so Jackie can see a thing or two the day in life of Sherry Summers. So come on along. Jackie, how you like it so far?
I am loving it, okay? The Jackie Jackson Show, I'm always out and about supporting entrepreneurs and their dream and their vision. And while Sherry was being interviewed on my show, I had her on the show 2 times. Not one, but twice, right? Twice Miss Sherry Summers blessed me with her presence and knowledge on the show. And I was like, Sherry, you know what? I want to learn what you're doing. I want to see what you're doing. And I want to get out in the field and walk the walk, talk the talk, and see what your hustle looks like. How are you feeding your family? How are you being the superwoman that you are? You know, I'm so amazed by her every single day that I speak with her. So we're out here on location at one of the properties. We're walking the exterior perimeter of the property and we just walked the interior of it. Sherry pointed out some very specific details of how she does her pricing and how she is able to add value to property so that owners can actually have an increase in the value of their property when it is done. I mean, absolutely phenomenal, amazing. Now I can see why so many people want to work with her. So if you're a realtor and you have a property that's on the market that's not being sold right now, you need to call Summers Professional Cleaners, okay? Because they can get your property in tip-top shape and landscaping, whether it's, they're property preservation. So here's what that falls under. So it's landscaping, it is pressure washing, it's flooring, it's cleaning, it's decluttering, it's all junk removal, it's la-di-da-di everything. It's crevice cleaning, it's one-stop shop. And she makes these properties look brand spanking new, so they sell for top dollar. And I came out here all pretty with my red lipstick and knowing that I was gonna be playing in the dirt, tripping, just being Miss Jackson for no reason. But you know, I gotta be me all the time. But thank you so much, Sherry, for blessing me.
Yes, guys, I love it. Yes, it's important that we understand because we always inside the office talking all the time, but this is a time for us to see what we do while we're on location, and I love it. So I'm with Jackie, guys, and if there's something you want to know about how we don't leave money on the table from our mentors that teach us so well, and we're looking at different properties in this area. Right now we're in Cocoa, and we're going to take a look inside, so stick around. We'll see what happened. I will talk to you later.
Bye!